What is going on, everybody? I'm Mike Stallone, and welcome back to another episode of RC Science, where we do fun science experiments using RC cars. So today, as you can tell from the intro video, and as you can tell from our sweet setup right now, we're going to be mowing the lawn. And I'm sure you could tell from that intro clip, I absolutely hate mowing the lawn. It is so boring to me. So I thought of a way to make it easier, but also way more enjoyable. Here it is, Xmaxx mowing the lawn, baby. And guys, before we get going, if you love watching cool RC science experiments, RC challenge videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any cool things like this, because I'm telling you, we got a lot planned for this channel. Thanks so much, guys. Alright, and before we get right into it, I just wanted to show you guys how we have everything set up. So we have a rope coming from where the wheels are to the wheelie bar of our Xmaxx. That way we could pull it and hopefully be able to turn it from the front. One issue we had when we first tried it out was that it wasn't turning when the car was turning, and it would just keep going straight and it would mess everything up. So what we did was we put weight all the way back here on the handle. That way it's going to lighten up the front, and when we turn this Xmaxx, it's going to be able to turn the lawnmower. And obviously this could be pretty dangerous, so I definitely don't recommend you guys try this at home. Let's get this show on the road. I gotta get to my captain's chair. All right, ready to mow the lawn? Let's go. I love mowing the lawn now. It's great when your vision becomes a reality. I mean, this is, what more can a guy ask for? Man, usually when I'm done mowing the lawn, I am exhausted, but not today. I'm very relaxed. That was fun, that was relaxing, and I feel great.